Bun cook with this for me. Thank you so much, Honey Bun. So I will try this one. This one is a crunchy. Oh, wow. Ay, wow. Hindi wow. Yoo-hoo. We try it. Yeah, this one is too big. Yeah. Wow. Ang sarap, guys. And this one is my soy sauce, okay? And kamatis, tomatoes, and onions with lemon side too, okay? Ay, guys. Ang sarap, guys. Ay, guys, grabe to init. Wow. Amazing. Ang sarap, guys. So, ano lang ito, guys, oh. Lemon grass, guys. Wow, perfect. Woohoo! Kailangan talagang ano yun, guys, para makita ninyo, guys. Yun, guys. Wow! Sana, oh. Tikman mo na itong kabilaan, guys. Okay. My God. Magkaroon talagang ang sarap, guys. Ng ano. Amoy pa lang ng lemongrass, sarap na. Wow. And this one, guys, is ready to eat now. This is my honey buns food. Okay, let's stay.
Take it tomorrow.
Yes. Thank you so much, guys.